everyone! I've got a quick one for you. Today we're cropping a shirt 5 ways without cutting it. For the first crop, all you need is your shirt. Grab the bottom of your shirt and pull it up to your waist. Grab all the extra fabric in the front and tie it in a knot. The next crop looks like the first, but it's easier if you don't have enough fabric. And for this, you will need an elastic. Pull your shirt up and grab all the extra fabric in the front. Then tie the elastic around it like a ponytail, but on the last twist, only pull the fabric partway through, making a loop. Tuck the tail of the fabric through the loop. For the next crop, you will need an elastic again. Fold your shirt underneath in the front while pulling it up to your waist. Gather all the extra fabric in the back and tie the elastic around it like a ponytail. Tighten the tail and then tuck it up into the shirt. For the next one, you will need a tight-fitting cropped shirt, a sports bra, or a bandeau top. Put your shirt on over top, and then tuck the bottom of the shirt into your undershirt all the way around. For the last crop, you will need a string or a ribbon. Wrap the string or ribbon around yourself just above your waist and tie it. Then pull your shirt up all the way around until the ends are hidden. And that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching!